Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So, can you make money with print on demand? That's the question. I thought I'd come out to my truck because it's actually quiet out here and the lighting's pretty good. So, it's better than being in the house. I've got 5 kids and a wife, and I'll tell you, this is like my coffee break to get out of here. Anyway, the question is, can you make money with print on demand? The answer is, it depends. You really need a couple things in place. First of all, you need to do some good research. You need to come up with good designs that are going to sell. Then you need to actually create those designs. So you have to make an image file of those designs, and then you're going to actually test them. So people think that they can do this once and they can say, okay, I did some research, I created a design, I uploaded it, I'm going to test it now, it didn't work. So I don't think you can make money with print on demand. It can't work, blah, 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 blah. What they don't understand is making money with print on demand is a numbers game. So the more tests that you put out there, the better the odds of you finding a winner. I know for me, it took me probably about 20 or 30 tests before I found my first big winner. Now I'm getting better at it over the years, been doing it for a long, long time. But even still, there's been times where I can launch like 10 or 15 designs and they do okay, or a couple of them might do okay. But really, it takes, like, it'll smack you in the face when it's a big winner, and that's when you can make some serious money. So I think where a lot of people run into trouble is they go in with the wrong mindset. They think that you can start this business, you can, dip your toe in it a little bit and just try, put, like, I call it like a half-assed effort, and then when it doesn't work, they quit. And that can't be you. If you want to make money with print on demand, you have to have a full system in place. You have to test a lot. I would suggest finding somebody who's been there and done that, has a t-shirt. Right now he's wearing his AC/DC t-shirt, this guy. Anyway, yes, you can make money with print on demand. I think anybody can. It's a great business model to be in, especially right now, but it works anytime. I mean, it works for holidays, it works for Christmas, it works for New Year's. Well, not so much New Year's, but Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, back to school, and of course the Christmas run up, which is the absolute best time of the year. During the months from basically September, October, November, a lot of people are buying a lot of stuff online to give us gifts. And even though it's like September and kids are going back to school, or October and people are thinking about Halloween, or November in the US, is November, and yeah, Thanksgiving's in November in the US. They're thinking about Thanksgiving. It doesn't matter what time of the year it is. You can make money year round with print on demand. So if you want to make some money with print on demand, if you're not going to get any help, then my biggest tip is test a lot, test a bunch of designs, pick something you like pick a niche if you really want to. Say you like dogs, say you like black labs, and there's a huge market of people who like black labs, and you want to make a whole bunch of t-shirt designs or coffee mug designs, whatever type of designs dealing with black labs. I would say get 30 of them made and 30 of them tested. One of those 30 is going to be a big winner. A couple are going to appear to be big winners, but they might flounder out, and the bulk of them are actually going to fail. So get used to that. That's the way print on demand works. You can make a ton of money doing it, but you have to test and you have to be prepared. You have to have the right mindset. You have to have the right skill set. The skill set can be taught, but the mindset is something that has to be worked on. Anyway, if you need help, give me a comment below and just say, hey, I'd love to get some help too. Then go visit my site, ppc-coach.com. I'd love to help you out on there. As well, I have a free Facebook group. It's ppc-coach.com/group. Go there, visit it. At the time of this recording, I think we're in April. Yeah, April of 2021 right now. There's 9,500 members in there, and it's free. We talk about print on demand. We talk about paid traffic. We talk about free traffic. Go there, join now. If you have any questions, let me know. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.